happy now. Drowning in the hourglass, I guess our time ran